In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate email text to a different language in Outlook, Office 365. Whether you're managing international communications or just need to understand an email in a language you're not familiar with, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly. First, you'll want to make sure you're using the Microsoft Outlook desktop app. Also, a quick note before we dive in. Today, we're accessing the old version of Outlook as the new version currently doesn't support this feature. So, open up the desktop version of Outlook for your translations. Once you have Outlook open, focus your attention on the top left of the screen. This area is known as the ribbon, and you'll see the Home tab right at the beginning. This is where you'll find a lot of useful tools, including the translation features we'll be utilizing today. Next, glide your eyes to the right corner of this ribbon. You'll want to locate the Translate option here. It's nestled amongst other commands and can be easily spotted if you're looking in the right area. Click on Translate. You'll notice a drop-down menu appears. From this menu, select Translation Preferences. This selection takes you into the settings where you can modify how Outlook handles different languages. Now you're inside the Translation Preferences menu. Direct your focus to the language settings. This is where you can customize your language needs. If you desire to add a new language, look towards the right corner of this menu. There you'll find an option to add a language. Click on this and you'll be given a list of languages to choose from. This list is comprehensive, catering to most language needs you might have. When you see your desired language, simply select it by clicking on it. Once you've made your selection, confirm this by pressing OK. This will ensure your chosen language is ready to be used for translations. However, do note that for these changes to take full effect, Outlook will prompt you to restart the program. Go ahead and restart Outlook. This will activate all your new language preferences and make sure everything is running smoothly. Once Outlook is back up, you'll be all set and ready to translate your emails easily and efficiently. This handy feature can really streamline your communication and help bridge language barriers effectively. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully set up the translation feature in your Outlook desktop app. Feel free to test it out on your emails and see how it works for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy translating!